Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to senior vibe coder dealing with security. This is a game changer for anyone looking to save time and automate their daily workflow. First, we need to identify the core repetitive tasks in your current process. Most people spend up to 40% of their time on work that could be easily automated with the right AI tools. By setting up a simple trigger and action system, you can let the machine handle the heavy lifting while you focus on high-level strategy. Next, let's look at the integration layer. Tools like Zapier or Make allow you to connect your favorite apps without writing a single line of code. Once you have your data flowing between systems, you can implement AI models to categorize, summarize, or even respond to information automatically. Finally, you'll want to monitor and optimize your new AI workflow. The best automations are the ones that evolve with your needs. Start small, test often, and gradually increase the complexity as you get more comfortable with the technology. That's the basic framework for senior vibe coder dealing with security. Start implementing these steps today, and you'll see immediate results. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI automation tutorials.